Hello. First of all, we're talking about some geometry and just going to talk about some angles and some triangles and a bit of bobs here and there. So first of all, we have an acute angle. An acute angle is one that is less than 90 degrees. This is a 90-degree angle. So if it's less than that, then it's only an acute angle. An acute angle is less than 90 degrees, okay? Obviously, moving on to a right angle is just basically straight up and straight across. So this is a right angle, an exactly right angle of 90 degrees. Then we go on to it's about to say these words, aren't you? Obtuse angle, which is greater than 90 degrees. As you can see, it's greater than that, but it's less than 180. So that's an obtuse angle. Then we go on to a reflex angle, which is more than 180, but obviously none of the above here. So that is a reflex angle because the angle goes all the way around to there. So yes, that's a reflex angle. Moving on. An isosceles triangle has two equal angles. Two equal angles is an isosceles triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle with three sides but with all equal angles to 60 degrees inside. Okay, so that's a equilateral triangle. Then we got a right angled triangle has one angle of 90 degrees. So that is that one. A right angled triangle has one angle equal to 90 degrees. So let's just recap what we've done. We've got an isosceles triangle, we have an equilateral triangle, and we have a right angled triangle has one angle equal to 90 degrees. Okay, then we move on to, this is just so you know, if you're trying to work out, let me just get rid of that bit a minute. If you're trying to work out what this angle is and you're not sure, then every angle that starts from does like that. You've got to remember, if it's 90 degrees is there, and that's half of that, so that's half. The whole thing is 180. So when you're working out just one angle or two angles from like this point, this is 180. So you haven't got a mark there, but all you have to do is take out, if there's one there, so take out that 45 from 180 and you should get your answer, which is 135. So 135 plus 45 equals 180. So I'm just telling you, I'm not very good at explaining stuff, but I thought I'd just make a kind of an effort on the maths and angles side. But yeah, so this is 180. This bit is missing, but you have this bit there. So take that bit away from the 180, which then should give you your answer. So that is that. So 45 plus whatever that is equals 180. Yeah? Hopefully you get me. So that's 135 plus 45 equals 180. Okay. Sorry, it's a bit shaky. It's hard work. I've got a bad arm. Anyway, we're moving on to this one. Now, if you're working at any of these points, you got to remember that the whole point in the middle, if there's angles around a point, then the whole thing should add up to 360 degrees. So I'm not sure, but I think if they're all equal, then they should be basically just 360 divided into 3. But basically, if you're working at a single point, the whole thing should add up to 360 degrees, sorry, 360 angle, because you're working around a single point, do you see? So all you have to do for this one is just put your what's it called, protractor. Put your protractor point dot there and work out which one individually if you need to, just to check that your answer is correct. But yeah, so far, I mean, it's only a 5-minute video, but I thought, just some people have asked me about geometry and things, so I thought I'd just add this on there. I will do some more, but I have to figure out which ones I've got to do and what I've got to put up here. So just a recap on some of them, so just in case you didn't know them, it's ideal to have them anyway, isn't it? I'm not a maths whiz, but I'm homeschooling my daughter, so I have to work these things out as well so I can explain them to her. So it's a hard process being a homeschooler when you don't know very much. So I'll be a whiz at the end of it, won't I? Anyway, please like and subscribe if you want more videos, and thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye!